Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to find the area of a trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a special kind of quadrilateral. It has one set of opposite sides parallel. So the top and the bottom of this particular trapezoid are parallel, meaning that they will never intersect, but the left and the right side eventually would intersect. So a trapezoid, again, is when you have only one set of parallel sides. Okay, so to find the area of a trapezoid, the way they came up with the formula for that is if you have two congruent or same size trapezoids, okay, and you take it and you flip one of them over and put them together, you basically have a parallelogram. So you have base 1 and base 2, but you have 2 of everything. So that's why we're going to be dividing by 2. Okay, so this is the trapezoid that we are going to work with, and for the base, when you're looking at bases of trapezoids, you need to look for the sides that are opposite, that are parallel of each other. So I labeled this trapezoid base 1 down here and base 2 up here. All right, and my height is not the height of one of the slants, it's how tall the actual trapezoid is. So that in this case, it's 3 miles high. All right, so step 1 is to determine the formula that you need. So I'm going to get my math reference materials, and I'm going to copy the formula for area of a trapezoid. So we have A equals 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Okay. And as I've said in all of my videos, writing the formula first is super important. It gives you all of the directions for what you need to do. Step 2, you're going to substitute the variables or the values for the appropriate variables. So far we do not know the area, so I'm going to keep that as A. We have 1/2 times, so the sum of base 1 and base 2, base 1 is 4 plus base 2, which is 2, times the height, which is 3. Okay, step 3 is to simplify your answer. So we still have area equals 1/2, and I'm going to do what is in the parentheses first. 4 plus 2 is 6 times 3. I still can simplify this more. I'm going to, because this is all multiplication, I'm going to start with 6 times 3. And I have 1/2 times 18. So now I have 18 times 1/2 is the same thing as dividing 18 by 2. So I'm going to have area equals 9. So again, that's 18 divided by 2. Step number 4 is to use the appropriate units. Again, we have, when we're working with area, we're going to be dealing with square units. So we have, in this case, everything is measured in miles. So it's miles squared. So the area of this trapezoid here is 9 miles squared.